Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video I'll explain the very British word bollocks. Before that, would you like to win 5 hours of Skype lessons with me? Simply subscribe and leave a comment for this video to be entered into the draw. Details are in the description below. Now, back to the video. Bollocks is probably one of the most loved swear words the British have after It literally means testicles, but it has so many other fun uses. If anything goes wrong, you can just shout, "Ah, bollocks!" If someone's lying, you might say, "Well, that's bollocks!" But if something is really good, you can say, "It's the dog's bollocks," or, the slightly less offensive, "Mutt's nuts." If you make a mistake, you can say, "I dropped the bollock there." If you are hot and sweaty, you can say, "I'm sweating my bollocks off." Or, if it's cold, "I'm freezing my bollocks off." If you don't want to do something, you can say, "Bollocks to that." As you can see, it's a super versatile word. So learn how to use it and soon you sound like a native Brit. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.